channel of peace, because now one of the biggest disgrace that happened on social media, in my right, in my present, but people does not know about it, is that an academic on possible on my phone because of ego. Because of ego, something ag bitters, he refused to pick your call, man. No get you okay boy. This is somebody again and like this. That was one of the biggest humiliation from Madam Megan on social media. But people did not take notice of it, but I know. Yes, I can get Bobby and then Massim Udo de Lumoke, Udo de Lemwa, Biko Tata, Ejimu Webia, Abatamo office of Governor Eziokwu. Mr. Governor Eziokwu, the great Shanamite that lives among the angels. I don't want you to see it now. No insult, but I'll first of all appreciate the fact now you have done a lot in this social media space. You have really been somebody that a lot of people look up to. You have actually been somebody people are like this. They will become a symbol of truth and peace. Truth in the sense that now you stand against Madibi. You stand against Madibi. That is what your goal stood for, and that is what we know you for. But sir, lately your steps, you need to retrace your steps, because now, as the fearless lion that walks alone, I don't have any fear in me. That is why I'm taking a video coming from somebody you knew. Coming from somebody you knew, coming from somebody you once endorsed people to go and follow. I know your followers will not agree to this, and your followers will be like, nah, who are you? But sir, it's time for you to go back to your root. It's time for you to choose your battles right, because that is what you always do before. 2024 cyberspace, 2024 internet space, within Igbo community will not be complete without your name being mentioned there, because of what you have done for people. Via Ebina Batogo, Ebina defendant Donna Morocco, Ebi still to go up for Ndimegine, Ndina change their position in one way or the other, oppressing mother. You've really done well, but it's time for you now to return back to your roots, because now he may be busy. Then I question go na was a go guy. Then I question to pull gun na to puzzle gun. Now because now I'm the fearless lion that walks alone. Nobody will tell you that. It takes a lot of courage, but you are now misplacing it. Your God's given gift and the strength you have is no longer being channeled to something that you are called to do. Your God's given gift and the strength you have is no longer being channeled to the things that you were once called to do. You know what I'm talking about, sir. So, let us take a moment of this Christmas period, this New Year period, to go and rebrand your mind. Rebrand your mind. Malebe ake enwesiwe bata n'ime ofe ahụ inele. Malake ebe ake enwesiwe bata n'ime ofe inele. If it warrant you people keeping some people aside to maintain that legacy, maintain it, because no gugi na anaziana. Ogugi na anaziana. And very soon when that you guga hanacha, it will be like smoke, the smoke will fly away. Onwe Zulu, geneme, oko ahaba. Because some the buy na to the secret omolulo oko balonisi. Mr. Governor Eziokwu, a lot of things you may go and engaged to. It's not something you should have done in the past. Yes, we are human beings. We have made our own mistakes in one way or the other. We have made our own mistakes. I need a matter. Like I always say, in a mother man disappoint you know why it's a lie. People will bound to disappoint you. Man, let it be that yes, you have made that mistake, that it's time for you now to bounce back. That is why I'm calling your attention to a lot of things in on social media now. Ile Google go kobo by associating with the people you are not meant to associate with. Because you feel that you have a common enemy now. Ndị na nọrọ mgbe unu na-atọ, people that were once against you. People that were once against something you stood for. People that were against that thing you stood for, which is uprightness and and against the ojo. People that were not there when you stood fame for ndị mmadụ when ndị mmadụ ego. People that were channeling their attention to ebe ndị dibịa, na asị ndị dibịa ride on. But you came out that time where Megan we pursue ndị dibịa, chukwu a lot of them n'ime. But you so sad now those things you fought for them are now beginning to come out again because now you've left the battlefield. You think you have won the war while you are losing the fight. You think you have won the fight while you are losing the war. You are thinking that you have won the fight, but you are gradually losing the war. The war in the sense that somebody like Ebony's son is currently now going against that thing you stood for because no man again I'll relate to go because no man again had to go like this. And he went ahead and still posted in the dibia na to mother na lo say ndị dibia na publicize ozu mmadụ na social media. This is something you once stood against. And you made it clear that on no account will anybody go for this area again. On this internet space. They tell you a natural death. But now, because now you have associated with the people that you are not supposed to associate with, and they are doing that thing right under your nose. Because they feel again and we they feel that they can do anything they want to do. Mr. Governor Eziokwu, I am talking to you as somebody that meant well. As somebody that have your common affairs in heart. As somebody that knows that now this is what you stood for. You have a mind email obi mother. Those battles you fought are now coming back right under your nose. Right under your nose, those things now. You have associated yourself with people where you are in a these people are not supposed to sit where you sat before. Just because you met somebody and you mingle with somebody that mingle with somebody. Or when mezi again or this that can again me or this that na ijele na mmọnwụ na agbakọzi n'ofu egbe. Deba shi ijele na mmọnwụ ada agbakọ n'ofu ebe. N'ọgbọ. Mana as it stands now, this or this that ka ijele aha na mmọnwụ ọzọ na agbakọzi n'ofu ebe. Mr. Governor Eziokwu, it's time to rebuild those broken relationships that you lost. It's time to rebuild those broken relationships that you lost. Have you ever taken your time to go back and check for the last 3-4 months now? For the past 4-5 months, the video see them, the people that matters are no longer engaging in it. The people that matters are no longer engaging in it. Obolonde in common enemy with now are now the people now shouting for you, cheering for you. People that we are not there when the real fight happened are not ever. They were nowhere to be found. So they say that people can now call you on live video, they cannot put on their camera again. Still, it may have entertained because now you feel they want to talk to somebody that you are not in good terms with, which is something you don't associate with them. Somebody cannot call your live video, cannot show his or her face. It may allow no. Or you remove the person, say or the person until you go Syria, so that let them know that you stand for uprightness and righteousness. The bitter truth is none of them will come out and say this thing I'm telling you. Because as he that wants to gain equity will come with clean hands. You man come to your child like this. I have never taken anything from anybody but mother here. You are my witness. I have never taken anything from anybody before Ngoyoku. And I doesn't say the concept of people where they are getting it wrong. For now, for these things in Emena, you have failed it. Ogugi na anwụ, let it rekindle back. Choose your fight. Ide ikwesịna ka a na-afụ gị ebe ọ bụ na ikwesịna ka ị na-etinye ọnụ na somethings na-akwasịrọ gị ka ị na-etinye ọnụ na ya. 2025 is coming. Let it be a year that you will be championed high. Your hand will be held high and take and say, okay, yes, indeed, this is somebody that we once knew. This is somebody that is coming. This is somebody that we know coming from the people that once knew this person before. How will you feel when the people around you are busy charlatans? Enwezi onye agwa ngwo nwoke no. Anyị ne bụ nwoke o. I'm not saying that onye ọbụla na advice nwoke ibia, but let there be somebody that you answer it to. Let these people now be around you now ya sị na onye a na onye adịkwana na mma. There are some talks I ha na-ekwu n'iru ya. But now they have teamed up with you because now have one common enemy with you and you think they love you. They don't love you, sir. They don't, and they don't mean well for you. They are the same people now forgetting how with you now. They are saying people that doesn't have a very good credibility, more questionable characters kind of forgetting how with you now. They will begin to feel that now all sheep are the same. The Bible says, separate me, Paul and Barnabas. Let there be a moment of separation between you and them. Coming from somebody like me that mean well for you. Only with them come for them mother na akpali na social media because na gini me na because na emengulu go with ndị na kwesịrị me emengulu with and imega associate with ndị na kwesịrị me associate. Everything is not all about money. Everything is not all about money. Enwe ebe na kwesịrị ka afọ gị. Enwere okwu na kwesịrị ka itinye ọnụ na ya. Enwere some things you shouldn't entertain. Enwere some things you shouldn't just mingle anyhow. Go back to that teenage Malagan. Go back to Ibatu. Go back to terrorizing the Ojo. Go back to Uganda where they are getting it wrong. Don't go back to Ibu at saying Nonya Bonya. If you like because Nonya Melehina like you be trying to fight that fight for that person. A lot of development in Ghana now got by your state now. Associate yourself with the enemy development now today and let your name be written in the sand of time that now after Zion ministry is being, I'm not using this for you for a promotion, but after this Zion ministry has been built, after you might have lived and gone, somebody will say in the year 2024, 2025, somebody like Prince Madu Abuchi was there when this foundation was laid. Also, block also where rally youth around. Can we make sure that this fence here was built? You write your name in the heart of in the stand of times. I know you have done a lot. I know you have done more. This example is that key will matter. And above all, we are stronger together. We are stronger together. I'm not talking for myself, but I'm talking for the people that everything has been broken between you and them. We are stronger together. Go and make peace with Zion. Go and make peace. You may come out as again, but you know, Kidim kem bosi bido zawi se na wandiro. Olilanya ndimo. Go and make peace with Zion. We are stronger together. Let there be that roaring lion or to Ama yes, now somebody kuyanazo. You make peace. You make peace. You make peace with people that matters. About every day, but now somebody advised you. You met so men on Abuja. You met so men, your mentor. You met so person that advised you. But at the end of the day, I'm not into practice, my brother. I didn't mean to disrespect you. I'm not disrespecting you, but I'm telling you what needs to be done. We are stronger together. I may not really make you too cool. I saw them get again and mother do no say before, no. But let there be a channel of peace. Bible says, whom I will show it mercy, whom I will show mercy. Let there be a channel of peace, because now one of the biggest disgrace that happened on social media, in my right in my president, but people does not know about it, is that an academic on possible on my phone because of ego. Because of ego, something ag bitters, he refused to pick your call, man. No get you okay boy. This is somebody again and like this. That was one of the biggest humiliation from Madam Megan on social media. But people did not take notice of it. But I know. Go and make peace. Imalon was how Google in the past that now you lose guard, maybe make peace with Akuzayon. Go and rebuild your relationship with that different money. These are the people that when you talk, then everybody listens to you. But now all you do is just to your words are now your words weight because you waited before. Your waist easy weight because you before, because that's in a beginning. Now can you call my million or more of. I may not be the one to tell you this thing. Maybe you find it handy too small, but I'm actually back to get this video to the end. And this video is not just an ordinary video for everybody. It's for the person that I'm sent to for this word. I'm still coming for JPAC and Bankia. I'm still coming. Beginning a share video. Kabaru share konyozo. So look what for in here now for the channel. Code numbers.